Hi, I'm Tom with Appotronics. We're here at InfoComm 2024, and we've got a few products on display here. In the far corner here, we've got our new DU935, budget-friendly D-Series, 9,000 lumen. It's 2K. Very great for education, for breakout rooms, hospitality, other applications such as that. Here we've got our nice compact form factor M series, 6200 lumen. It's a 4K unit, also comes in a 2K option, as well as a 5000 lumen option. So nice versatility there, and different options for you depending on the application. Our static models over here are our ultra short. 5000 lumen comes 2K and 4K, as well as our F series that is a 7, 8, or 9,000 lumen option. And then our new product here this year is the S Pro. So this is a 20,000 lumen 4K product. Pretty proud of this. Should be launching in Q3. Very feature rich. All of these have the Appotronics patented ALPT light source technology. Everything is a DLP product, and lots of lensing options, standard lens included with most products. And for more information, you can go to www.appotronixusa.com.
Hi everybody, Jaime here with Eites Screens, and we are here in Las Vegas at the InfoComm 2024 show, and we are exhibiting our brand new Floor Riser Pro Cinegrade 4D, which is a ceiling ambient light rejecting floor pull-up screen, which retracts out of the small casing right here. This is the bag that it comes with. And as you can see, with all this trade show light, we're getting a very good contrast-rich image that doesn't wash out as much as you would with a typical matte white screen. And this is perfect for conference rooms, training facilities, boardrooms, or any challenging ambient light room that you may face when you're trying to give a presentation. And this is perfect for the road warrior presenter that's out in the field. And here we are showcasing our portable folding frame Presenter Pro CLR2, which is another solution for portable use in conference rooms, meeting rooms, or any challenging room that you may have where you cannot turn off the lights. Now, typical matte white screens usually wash out the picture. This material can absorb up to 90% of overhead ceiling light. For more information about our entire Pro AV products, visit www.elitescreen.com or eliteproav.com. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am actually at the Sony booth, and I'm talking to Drew about projectors. So Drew, as I walk through the booth, I see a lot of flat panels. But at the same time, Sony is a leader when it comes to projection. How would you choose between the two?
Well, I think what it comes down to is size, right? If you're going to get above 100 inches, projection is really a way to go. A 98-inch TV, like that's our largest model. But you want to go above that, then you really are looking at projection. I mean, there are direct view, like we have a 110-inch direct view, but it's going to be very price prohibitive for the typical, say, classroom.
Just transportation, cost per inch, all of those particular things still gravitate towards projection, plus things like projection mapping and things like that. So what products are you actually have to offer, and what are you showing today?
So what we have in the booth are actually static displays. So this is our GTZ 380/P. It is our 4K, true 4K SXRD. And then the rest of our projectors are actually 3 LCD. This is our high brightness series. We have 9,000, 10,000, and 13,000 lumen projectors with a wide variety of interchangeable lenses. In another area here, we're showing our what we call our ultra compact series. We have the VPL PHZ 61, as well as the VPL FHZ 85, which is our kind of mid-range. That series goes from 6,000 up to over 7,000 lumens. The compact series are 5,000 and 6,000 lumens respectively.
And I speak volumes to this. This is actually the best home projector that I have ever reviewed when it comes to color fidelity at its price. You'd have to spend triple this to get something that can match this when it comes to image quality, when it comes to a projector at this type of lumens.
Unfortunately, with this one, I only have 2 lenses at the moment. One is a shorter throw, and then one is a much longer throw.
Yeah, I think we reviewed the one with the shorter throw on a 146-inch screen, and it delivered great color reproduction. The black levels were excellent, but it was bright enough to easily, because the screen was a ambient light rejecting material, easily be able to utilize it during the day if you so choose to.
Yeah, the last InfoComm here in Las Vegas, I actually had a projection booth like this, and I was showing this. And from a certain vantage point, you could see our CLED wall, and you could see this projection. And this was on about a 135-inch diagonal screen. And I'm telling you, it was, I mean, the cost difference for what we have in the direct view LED, I mean, this picture was just as great. You know, the dynamic range, the contrast ratio, that sort of stuff.
Yeah, and Sony's video processing is legendary. The HDR video processing and tone mapping on this projector is actually outstanding. So you said you had a couple of more pieces. Why don't we go take a look at them and some other spots in the booth?
Okay. Over here, we're showing our VPL PHZ61. It's 6,000 lumens. It can handle a 4K 60p input, although our panels are WUXGA. The advantage to that is if you put this into a space where you've also got flat panels, you can send the signal to the flat panels as well as this projector. Below it, I have the VPL F8Z85. The 85 is actually a 7,000 lumens, and it does have interchangeable lenses, so very good for flexibility in the installation. The big news is both of these projectors can now support a 21:9 input. We're actually scaling it to the 1920x810. Sony doesn't have a 21:9 flat panel, so you'd have to, like for a Microsoft Teams front row experience, you'd have to go to 32:9 with a pair of flat panels. But these are ideal, especially for conference areas where you're setting it up as either a Google room or like I said, Microsoft Teams front row room. One last point is we just got our Crestron XIO certification on the compact series, the VPL PHZ 51 and 61, and very shortly we will be announcing Crestron XIO support in the FHZ 80 and 85.
Hi, I'm Britton Busby with Screen Innovations. We're here at InfoComm 2024. Walking through the booth here real quick. Starting with our different array of screen material options. What this shows is that we have different screen surfaces for different environments. Whether you have high ambient light, low ambient light, we can help you determine which would be the right solution for you and your environment. We have different types of screens, from our fixed aspect, zero edge, very modern screens, to motorized, cable drop, standard drop, and with all of the different screen surfaces for high ambient light, high contrast, all the way down to your basic white. This right here is our newest product we launched here at InfoComm 2024. This is our carbon black, high contrast, high ambient light screen surface on a motorized, for the first time ever, motorized platform called Zero G Pro. It's a cable drop screen that can supply up to 16 feet of drop above your screen and retract all the way back up into the ceiling. This will actually give you the best contrast, best viewing angle of any ambient light rejecting surface out on the market. Over here, we have our slate for a little bit lower ambient light surfaces in a fixed frame that's also showing off our suspended ceiling kit, wire drop for fixed frame applications. And over here in the corner, something that has been out on the market for a while but not many people have seen or worked with is actually one of the best rear projection surfaces on the market. This is called Flex Glass from Screen Innovations. So it's a rear projection ultra short throw compatible surface that is a semi-rigid surface that will hold its shape. Can go in ultra wide formats but has very wide viewing cones, zero hot spotting, and is compatible with edge blending as well. To find out more about any of this on our screens, go to www.screeninnovations.com or contact us at sales@screeninnovations.com.
My name's Lieven Bertels. I'm with Barco in Belgium, and we're here at InfoComm to show you some of our new projectors. And we're very happy launching the new QDX, which is our new 3-chip projector, building on the success of the UDX. It's a projector that is suitable for the rental and staging market as well as for fixed install, and it will go all the way up to over 40,000 lumen. But what is special about it is not only that it's building on the pedigree of the UDX, but that it's offering you the choice between laser phosphor and RGB laser. So if your application needs that Rec 2020 color space, you can have this as an RGB laser projector. This is just one of the many things we're showing here. Let me take you to the i600 right over here, which is our new projector in the single chip space. It's a projector that offers you the same pulse electronics as the QDX, the UDM, the UDX, and the possibility of using an optional input slot that is future-proof, that will offer you AV over IP, IPMX in the future. Comes with a whole range of lenses, all the way from 0.4 ultra short throw to 7. So you can use this as a back of room, ballroom type projector. It exists in 8,000, 10,000, and 15,000 lumen. 4K with our unique super shift, pixel shift. So you have a really crisp 4K image all the way up to 15,000 lumen with all of the different lenses. We can also use this for really high-end applications in high frequency because it comes with a refresh rate of 240 Hertz, which you can use to do 3D at really high frame rates as well. So that's one of the unique features of this. You can use it in 3D, you can use it for simulation, you can use it for fixed install or for rental, because we do have it as a rental frame. Of course, around the corner, we have the rest of the range, including our budget-conscious G-Series, which gives you a really handsome little package available in different brightnesses. The G-Series also shown here, the G100, which is the bigger brother of the G50 and the G62. This can be used as a fixed install or as a rental projector. If you're looking for something a little more technically advanced, we have the F400, which now is available as a native 4K projector all the way up to 240 Hertz, specifically catering for the simulation market, because it has not only the 4K native, it's also a ruggedized platform, so you can use it on a motion base if you want. And then the smaller brother of the UDX and the QDX, the UDM, available in 22 and 30,000 lumens, 4K UHD, with the same pulse electronics and the same lens suite as the UDX and the QDX. And that is a very short overview of our projector range here at InfoComm 2024.